Welcome to this tutorial on how to follow someone on Etsy. Following a seller on Etsy allows you to stay updated on their latest products, promotions, and shop activities. To get started, you need to have an Etsy account. If you don't have one, create an account by going to the Etsy website and following the sign-up process. Once you are logged into your Etsy account, search for the seller you want to follow by typing their shop name or username in the search bar at the top of the page. Click on the seller's shop from the search results to go to their shop page. On the shop page, click on the Follow button, usually located on the right side of the page below the seller's profile picture. After clicking the Follow button, you will start receiving updates on the seller's latest products and promotions in your Etsy activity feed. You can also view all the sellers you are following by going to your Etsy profile page and clicking on the Following tab. Following a seller on Etsy is a great way to stay informed about their products and promotions. And it also helps to support the seller by increasing their visibility on the platform. Additionally, following a seller allows you to easily find and purchase their products in the future. To unfollow a seller, simply go to their shop page and click the Unfollow button. You can also unfollow a seller from your Following tab on your Etsy profile page. Remember to only follow sellers whose products and content interest you, as following too many sellers can clutter your activity feed and make it harder to find the updates you are interested in. By following these simple steps, you can easily follow your favorite sellers on Etsy and stay updated on their latest products and promotions.